Hi there, welcome to this video about Facebook and Instagram ads management. If you're looking to promote your business online and reach a wider audience, then advertising on Facebook and Instagram is a great way to do so. But managing ads on these platforms can be overwhelming and time-consuming, which is where a Facebook and Instagram ads management expert can help. As an expert in this field, I have a deep understanding of the Facebook and Instagram advertising platforms, including the various ad formats and targeting options available. With my knowledge and expertise, I can help you create and manage effective ad campaigns that deliver results for your business. One of the key benefits of hiring a Facebook and Instagram ads management expert is that you'll save time and money. Instead of spending hours researching and testing different ad strategies, you can leave it to me to handle everything from ad creation to targeting and optimization. This means you can focus on other important aspects of your business while I take care of your advertising needs. Another benefit of working with an expert is that you'll get access to advanced targeting and optimization techniques that can help you get the most out of your ad spend. By targeting the right audience with the right message, you can increase your ad's relevance score, lower your cost per click, and ultimately drive more conversions. So, if you're ready to take your Facebook and Instagram advertising to the next level, then get in touch with me today. As an experienced Facebook and Instagram ads management expert, I can help you create and manage ad campaigns that deliver real results for your business. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.